Good day, kids! How are you? Ako si Sir Kim, and welcome to our math class. Last week, our lesson is about solving multi-step routine and non-routine word problems. This week, ang topic natin ay division of 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers and dividing mentally. Ang objectives natin for this week ay divide 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers with and without remainder, and divide mentally 2 to 4 digit numbers by tens, hundreds, or thousands without and with remainder. Let's start with division of 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers. Ano nga ba ang division? Division is a process of finding out how many times one number is contained in another. Ito mga symbols na ginagamit natin sa division. Division sign, slash or slanted line, overbar, and long division. In the division sentences mentioned, 6 is called the dividend and 3 is the divisor. Yung 2 naman ang tinatawag nating quotient. In case there is a number left after performing division, this number is called the remainder. Let's review division. 40 divided by 5. Ilang 5 ba ang meron sa 40? Very good. 8. Now, answer the following numbers. 18 divided by 3. The correct answer is 6. Next one. 24 divided by 4. The correct answer is 6. Next one. 36 divided by 6. The correct answer is 6. And the last one. 49 divided by 7. The correct answer is 7. Tama ba ang mga naging answers mo? Ang division ay reverse multiplication. Let us read this problem. Bicolanos are known for their special liking for chilies. In fact, according to an article enlisted in Guinness, the world record holder for the most chilies eaten is a Bicolano named Heriberto N. Gonzalez. Lolo Felix and his 5 friends were just like Heriberto, who loved to eat chilies. In Lolo Felix's farm, he and his friends were trying to divide all the 912 chilies evenly among themselves. How many chilies does each of them get? What is asked in our problem? Very good. The number of chilies each of them get. I-divide natin ang 912 sa 6. 912 divided by 6. Unahin natin divide dito sa leftmost number. 9 divided by 6. Ilang 6 ba ang meron sa 9? 1. Dito natin ilalagay sa taas ng 9 ang ating answer. Then, we will multiply 1 sa 6. 1 times 6. 6. Dito natin ilalagay sa ibaba ng 9. Then, we will subtract. 9 minus 6. 3. Then, lipat tayo dito sa sunod na digit, which is 1. And we will bring that down. 31 divided by 6. Ilang 6 ba ang meron sa 31? 5. Dito naman natin ilalagay ang ating answer sa taas ng 1. Then, we will multiply 5 and 6. 5 times 6. Very good. 30. And we will subtract that from 31. 31 minus 30 is 1. Then, Lipat na tayo sa susunod na digit, which is 2, and we will bring that down. Next, we will divide 12 sa 6. 12 divided by 6. Ilang 6 ba ang meron sa 12? 2. Dito natin ilalagay ang sagot sa ibabaw ng 2. 2 times 6. Very good. 12. And we will subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. Then, ang answer natin sa 912 divided by 6 is 152. Let's try another one. 2,684 divided by 22. Since hindi naman natin pwedeng i-divide ang 2 sa 22, gagamitin natin ang first two digits, which is 26. 26 divided by 22. Ilang 22 ba ang meron sa 26? Isa lang. So, dito natin ilalagay ang answer natin sa ibabaw ng 26 and we will multiply. 1 times 22. 22. Dito natin ilalagay and we will subtract. 26 minus 22. The answer is 4. And lipat na tayo sa susunod na digit, which is 8, and we will bring that down. 48 divided by 22. Ilang 22 ang meron sa 48? Dalawa. Dito natin ilalagay sa taas ng 8. Then, multiply. 2 times 22 is 44. Then, we will subtract. 48 minus 44. 4. Then, we will bring down the last digit na 4. 44 divided by 22. Ilang 22 ang meron sa 44? 2 din. Ilalagay natin ang ating answer dito sa taas ng 4. Then, multiply. 2 times 22 is 44. Then, we will subtract. 44 minus 44 is 0. So, ang answer natin sa 2,684 divided by 22 is 122. Now, let's try this one. 403 divided by 3. Unahin natin ang first digit sa left. 4 divided by 3. 1. Then, multiply. 1 times 3. 3. I-minus natin. 4 minus 3. 1. Then, bring down natin ang susunod na digit na 0. 10 divided by 3. Very good. 3. Dito natin ilalagay ang ating answer sa taas ng 0. And then, 3 times 3. 9. Then, we will subtract. 10 minus 9. Very good. 1. Then, bring down the last digit na 3. 13 divided by 3. Very good. 4. Dito natin ilalagay ang ating answer sa taas ng 3. And then, multiply. 4 times 3. Very good. 12. Then, subtract. 13 minus 12. 1. Since hindi na natin pwedeng i-divide ang 1 sa 3, ito ay magiging remainder. So, the answer is 134 remainder 1. Let's proceed to our next lesson, dividing mentally. Let's read this. Andrea wants to give boxes of oranges to the frontliners of COVID-19 pandemic. How many boxes of 10 oranges each can she make if there are 5,000 oranges? We'll divide 5,000 by 10. Mas madali ito kasi bibilangin lang natin ilan ang 0 ng divisor tapos ibabawas natin sa zero ng dividend. Ang ating divisor ay may isang zero. So, magbabawas tayo ng isang zero sa dividend. Ang natira na lang ay 500. So, ang answer natin ay 500. Next, let's divide 5,000 by 100. Ilang zeros meron sa ating divisor? Dalawa. So, magbabawas tayo ng dalawang zeros sa ating dividend. Therefore, ang answer natin is 50. The last one, 5,000 divided by 1,000. Ilang zeros meron sa ating divisor? We have 3. So, magbabawas din tayo ng 3 zeros sa ating dividend. 5,000 divided by 1,000 is 5. Now, try to answer this. Time's up. Check natin kung tama ang answers nyo. Paano naman kaya pag ganito? 3,472 divided by 10. Same lang din ang gagawin natin sa process kanina. Pero since non-zero ang last digit o ang digit na nasa ones place, ay magiging remainder. Meron tayo isang zero dito. So, itong last digit na to ay magiging remainder. Ang answer natin ay 347 remainder 2. Ito naman, 3,472 divided by 100. We have 2 zeros. So, ang numbers na nasa ones place at tens place ay magiging remainder. Ang answer natin ay 34 remainder 72. Last one, 3,472 divided by 1,000. Ano kaya ang answer? Very good. Since we have 3 zeros, 3 digits from right to left ay magiging remainder. Ang answer natin ay 3 remainder 472. Now, try to answer this one. Let's check if your answers are correct. Tama ba ang mga answers mo? Very good. Always remember this. To divide a 3 to 4 digit number by a 1 to 2 digit number without or with remainder, first, decide how many digits in the dividend a divisor can divide. Then write the quotient above the digit being divided. Multiply the quotient by the divisor. Then write the product under the digit being divided, then subtract. Bring down the next digit in the dividend. Then divide the newly formed dividend by the divisor. Then continue the process until the last digit with the lowest place value. Then write the remainder, if there's any, at the side of the quotient. In dividing mentally 2 to 4 digit numbers by 10. Kung 0 ang nasa ones place, tatanggalin ito at yung natira ay magiging quotient. Kapag naman non-zero ang digit na nasa ones place, magiging remainder ang nasa ones place, tapos lahat ng natira ay quotient. In dividing mentally 2 to 4 digit numbers by 100. Kapag 0 ang ones and tens place, tatanggalin ito at yung natira ang magiging quotient. Kapag naman non-zero ang nasa ones and tens place, magiging remainder ito at ang natira ay ang quotient. In dividing mentally 2 to 4 digit numbers by 1,000, kapag 0 ang ones, tens, and hundreds place, tatanggalin ito at ang matitira ay ang quotient. Kapag naman non-zero ang ones, tens, and hundreds, magiging remainder ito at ang matitira ay ang quotient. I hope that you understood our lesson. See you again next week here in our math class.